In this video, we are going to work through a geometric construction exercise. This is the drawing we are going to create using a geometric construction techniques. First of all, I'm going to draw all the center lines. Here, starting from this horizontal center line. I am drawing a thin line to represent the center line. Okay. Here we have completed all the center lines. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to draw these two circles. You can see the diameter, outer diameter 60 millimeter, inner diameter 40 millimeter circle. Within, I'm going to draw these couple of circles. Outer diameter 64. Inner diameter 48. Okay, so then I'm going to draw this straight slot in here. Okay, slot inner radius 8 millimeter. Outer radius 60 millimeter. Here I'm going to complete this slot. Okay, then I'm going to draw this circular slot here. Radius is equal to 8. Inner radius. Okay, then outer radius is equal to 60 millimeter. Okay, here also I'm going to complete this circular slot. From here 72 millimeter, then the radius is equal to 60 millimeter. 72 plus 16, 88. The outer arc radius is equal to 88 millimeter. Okay, for the inner arc, radius is equal to 72 minus 16, 56 in radius. Okay, the inner slot 72 plus 8, 80 millimeter. For this one, as 72 minus 8, 64. Okay, this is the circular slot. Then we are going to draw this circular arc tangent to these two circles. In here you can see this arc radius is equal to 48 millimeter. Then this outer circle radius is equal to 32. 32 plus 48, that is equal to 80 millimeter. So that means this arc center is located 80 millimeter from this center. Okay, this is external tangent circles. Okay, first let's mark the arc with radius 80 millimeter. Okay, then from this circle, the circle radius is equal to 60 millimeter. Then this arc is tangent to externally to this circle with this circle. So from this center to this arc center, the distance is equal to 16 plus 48, 64 millimeters. Okay, well, let's find the start and end point of the tangent arc. Here this is the center of the tangent. Here this is one of the end point of the arc. Okay, this is the other tangent point of the arc. These are the two tangent points. So let's draw the arc. The arc radius is equal to 48 millimeters. Okay. Within next step, we are going to create this tangent arc. Here also, this tangent arc is externally tangent to both the circles. Okay, first locate the center point and then locate the start and end points. Okay, here it is radius is equal to 60 millimeter. Here outer radius is equal to 32 millimeter. 32 plus 60, 92 millimeters. So that means this arc center is located 92 millimeter away from this center. Okay, here this circle radius is equal to 60 millimeter. Then this arc radius is equal to 60 millimeter. So 60 plus 16, 76 millimeter. So that means from this center point to this arc center, the distance is equal to 76. Okay, this is the center point of this arc. So then let's find the start and end point of the tangent. This is one of the end point of the tangent arc, the one other tangent point. Well, let's draw the tangent arc. Tangent arc radius is equal to 60 millimeter. Okay, with the tangent arc. Well, then we are going to draw this tangent arc. This is also externally tangent to both the circles. Here radius 32, here the radius 30. So from this arc center to this center distance is equal to 62 millimeters. Okay, let's mark that one. Okay, here 60 millimeter in radius. Arc radius equals 32 millimeter, 48. So that means from this arc center to this center distance is equal to 48 millimeter, because these two are externally tangent. 48 millimeters. Okay, is the center of the arc. This is tangent point. Okay, this is another tangent point. Radius is equal to 32 millimeters. Okay, then we are going to draw this tangent arc. This one also external tangent to these two circles. Here you can see 32. Here it is radius 30, 62 away from this center. This arc center is located 62 millimeter from this circle center. Here you can see this radius 60 millimeter, arc radius 32 millimeter. These two arc and the circle is externally tangent, so the distance between the two centers are equal to addition of these radius, the 48 millimeters. Here you can see one tangent point, then the other tangent point. So let's draw the arc. The arc radius is equal to 32 millimeters. Okay, this is how we are completing this kind of drawing using the correct geometric construction technique. Okay, thank you. See you on next video.